If you're planning to install a large vinyl graphic, such as a windshield decal or hood graphic, you may want to use a method of decal installation called the wet method. The wet method uses water to make it easy to manipulate a large graphic and reduce the chance for damage or other installation problems. Use the steps outlined in this video as a guideline to help you get your new decal installed correctly. First, here are a few important tips for your decal installation. Number 1. Do not store or install your decal in direct sunlight. The heat may prevent your decal from adhering properly. Number 2. Install your decal when the temperature is between 50 and 72 degrees for best results. Number 3. Do not use glass cleaner to clean the surface your decal is being applied to. Ammonia-based cleaners may create bubbles under your decal and prevent proper adhesion. Number 4. Use a piece of painter's tape to position the decal and hold it in place. This allows you to reposition the decal before installation and get it exactly where you want it. First, clean the surface well by wiping it with a rag saturated with rubbing alcohol or a wax and grease remover. Then dry the surface with a lint-free paper towel before the solvent dries. Place the graphic in the appropriate location by measuring and holding the decal in place with painter's tape. You can also use the tape to mark the outer edges of the graphic so it'll be easy to put back exactly where you want it. Peel the liner from the back of the graphic rather than trying to pick the graphics off of the liner. Next, lightly mist the surface with water or a mix of soap and water. Use the least amount of water to accomplish the application process. Do not use ammonia-based products such as glass cleaner, as they leave a residue that may cause problems with adhesion. Apply the graphic in the appropriate location. The water will allow you to move the graphic around for perfect fitment. Use a squeegee or credit card to apply the graphic. When squeegeeing the graphic, use good pressure to force all of the fluid from under the vinyl film. Start in the center of the graphic and squeegee outward to force out the fluid from underneath the decal. If the application tape releases with difficulty from the graphic, spray the tape with water, allowing about 30 seconds for it to soak in. When removing the application tape, peel the tape 180 degrees against itself. This prevents the decal from lifting. After removing the application tape, dry the remaining liquids with a paper towel. Finally, apply heat to the graphic with a hairdryer or a heat gun set on the lowest setting. The heat will activate the adhesive and help the decal adhere to the surface. Try not to expose your graphic to extreme temperatures or direct sunlight for 24 hours. That's it. Now you can enjoy your new decal. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. At CorvetteMods, we obsess over your vet.